ค่ะเขาจะนังไก่ลายของหนูเลย
หนังไก่จักรบาทแม่หนังไก่ลูกค้าถามโอเคไหม
โอเค
ครับผมขอบคุณครับ
เราต้องให้ดีเราก็ได้กินไม่แม็กมันเสียเวลา
กินเล่นมา
แม็กเดียวอย่างนี้บอกที่ละที่ได้ประหยัดไอ้นั่นยังไงที่มันออกหมู
เหลือเงินด้านไหนออกหมูแท้
ปลาใส่กันอันนี้น้ำปลาตัวนี้ซอส
โชยุเขาเป็นน้ำปลาเลยเขาเป็นโชยุ
โอเค
สวยเหรอ
สวย
เดี๋ยวครับกล่องได้เลยจ้าครับ1 2 3 4 5 25ครับซูชิ5 บาทนะครับมีกล่องเล็กกล่องกลางกล่องใหญ่จ้ารับไปนะกล่องกลาง
กองเล็กกองกลางกองใหญ่
จ้า
ใช้กองเล็กใช้กองกลาง
25ครับมีเล็กมีกลางมีใหญ่ครับแม่
ตั้งบาทอ่ะ
แล้วก็แม่เดียวครับจะ30 40 50ครบ50แถมฟรี1 ชิ้นครับแม่30ให้แม่นะครับ
Thailand sushi. It's a bit of a mystery, this one. The last time I had this, it did not go well. It made for a very long night. Comes with some soy sauce and some wasabi. The last time this made smoke come out my nose, it was very chemical based to us, very terrible stuff. We'll try this one. The flies seem to like the sushi already. Doesn't look like wasabi. Holy man. Yeah, very similar to the last one. Won't be needing much of that. And the soy sauce is a pretty small pack. Comes with a fork, which is a little strange. Fake shrimp. I don't know what the white sauce is, but the yellow one, that's cheese. It's terrible cheese. This is crazy popular. Just this little market where I bought this at. I had two people selling the same thing. It looks like coleslaw, but it's got fake crab in it. That one was good. The other one was not good at all. This one got clams on it. Don't ask, wish me luck. I put wasabi on that one. That's all you can taste really is the wasabi. Some wasabi on this one. This one's got fake crab in the middle with rice and some kind of glow-in-the-dark eggs. They all kind of taste the same, to be honest. Okay, this one's cool. It's a crab claw. It's not real crab claw, of course. With the cheese and the, I don't know what the white sauce is. Maybe mayonnaise. That cheese is terrible. For anybody to buy this a second time, you have no taste buds if you like it, I guess. You know? I don't know, I don't get it. It's been about 3 years since I've had this. Yeah, I won't be going back anytime soon. This one, fake crab again, the cheese and the mayonnaise on rice, of course. The fake crab tastes okay. This one got sliced cheese on it. Oh, that's weird. These are 5 baht each, so this tray cost me 40 baht. 40 baht, that's about $1.20, $1.30 US. I eat the last one just because I want to get rid of it. There's nothing special. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, salmon. That fake cheese is just god awful. It's not something I would do again anytime soon, that's for sure. Very nice people selling these, like most of the market vendors. Insanely friendly, just want to show you what they're doing. But at the end of the day, this for me, once every 3 years, that's enough. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Very noisy road here again today. Totally different place. There is no quiet places in Thailand. That's just that simple. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.